Hello everyone, welcome back to Moga Dishes. Today we are going to be making crispy cheesy chicken. You're going to want to start off by boiling 13 chicken legs for around 6 minutes. Then you're going to want to peel off the excess skin from each chicken leg. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to take off the meat from each individual bone. I use my hands because it's more efficient. You're also going to want to set aside the chicken leg bone. Then you're going to want to finely chop the chicken pieces. You're also going to want to boil 7 potatoes for 10 to 15 minutes and peel off the skin. Once you're done peeling off the skin from the potatoes, mash until it becomes a smooth or creamy consistency. Once you're done mashing the potatoes, you're going to want to add the chicken and mix. Once you're done mixing them together, you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of black peppers. You're also going to want to add around 500 grams of mozzarella cheese. Once you're done mixing all of the ingredients together, you're going to want to add a little less than a handful of the mixture and mold it onto the chicken legs. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to whisk 4 eggs together. Once you're done whisking the eggs, you're going to want to dip the chicken legs in the egg, coat it with breadcrumbs and flour. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to fry it for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment down any other foods you'd want me to make. Bye!